Hey guys, in this video I'm going to be doing a total product overview of Proscenic's P11 Mopping Vacuum Cleaner because it's not only versatile and powerful, but because I want to show why it's been an excellent investment for our home. So the P11 is a lightweight cordless stick vacuum with powerful suction for all kinds of floors, so hardwood floors, tile, carpet, and furniture even. Has a runtime of up to 50 minutes and comes with all these different swappable heads for different surfaces. But what's really neat is that the main motor bar cleaning head can actually transform into a mop, which I have yet to see in other vacuums. So obviously it comes with a way to charge it and also to remove the dust from the dustbin, and I'll show how to do both of those later on in the video. And also it weighs less than 5.5 pounds. So we got this vacuum for a few reasons. The first is we've got different types of floors and we wanted something that vacuumed effectively on all of them and also had the capability of mopping our kitchen floors if we so desired. The second is because we've got kids who are constantly making messes, but often drop stuff on the ground like food and crumbs and other stuff that are quote unquote like heavier to pick up. So we needed something powerful enough or something that could actually switch into a superpower mode to pick up the heavier debris. And the third reason is because we have a dog who is just so awesome, but he sheds all the time. And so we wanted something that would also effectively remove his hair from our furniture, our carpet, and our rugs. So if you're looking for a vacuum for any of the same reasons, just go and buy this vacuum. But if you need further convincing, let's talk about the swappable heads and the cyclone. So starting with the motor bar cleaning head, this is your workhorse. You'll use it 90% of the time. It works on all floors, so hardwood floors and carpet and rugs and tile. Plus, you can fill up the water tank up to 340 milliliters and then connect it to the motor bar cleaner head to transform it into a mop that seeps water into this like removable mop head and then allows you to wet, remove, and clean stains from hard surfaces. Then you have this crevice nozzle, which, as the name implies, it's great for picking up fine debris in corners and hard to reach areas. Then you have the 2-in-1 brush. By simply pressing this button, it retracts back or protracts forward the brush head, which is great for like removing dust from dusty surfaces or sensitive surfaces like furniture. Finally, you have the cyclone. So on this side, you have this little button that if it's pressed, allows you to remove the entire dustbin completely to wash out and rinse it, but it also provides you access to the filters. So to access and then clean the filters, you simply rotate this little dark part here, turning it counterclockwise, and then you just pull it out. Then you'll take this part, you'll run it underwater and rinse it off. You'll let it air dry for 24 hours, and then you simply insert it back in, rotate it clockwise until it locks into place, and then you're good to go. Then it comes with a removable battery that slides in and locks into place under the handle and trigger. And then by pressing the trigger, it'll actually activate the entire cyclone and illuminate the back LCD screen. And if you press this button here, it'll actually switch it from eco mode to turbo to super turbo deluxe boost mode. Okay, so on a full charge and an empty dustbin, I can vacuum our laundry room, our kids' room, the bathroom, the playroom, this book nook, another kid's room, all of this carpet, the stairs, the living room, the kitchen, the dining room, this little mud room, this powder bathroom, the living room, our master bathroom, our closet, and finally our bedroom, all in one go. And then what I'll do is occasionally switch it to super turbo deluxe boost mode to pick up like heavier debris and crumbs or stuff that's just like lodged in carpet and rugs. Another great feature is how easy it is to empty out the dustbin. So just to be sure you're standing over a trash can before you do this, you just press this little button here and it'll swing the door open, and then just giving it a couple of pats, and even if necessary, just like reaching your hand up there and grabbing one or two little scoops of it, will empty out most of the remaining debris, and then you simply just close the lid until it locks into place, and then you are good to go. Charging it is also pretty simple. You simply plug it into this little port found here, and if it's still attached to the cyclone, what it'll do is illuminate the back LCD screen, indicating how much charging it still needs to reach 100%. But then it also, if you remove the battery completely, it'll still charge, and what it does is it'll show this little light that like pulsates while it's charging to know that it actually is charging. But the neatest feature of all is that add-on mop base. So I've yet to find a vacuum that actually does that, and it's really nice after vacuuming up our kitchen to then fill up the mop head with water, attach it to the mop base to the motor bar cleaner head, and then just to do a nice deep clean of our kitchen floor, especially like after dinner and whatnot. So anyways, if it isn't obvious by now, this thing picks up fine debris without issues. It works great on carpet, hardwood floors, and tile. It takes about 4 hours to charge the battery and then allows you to both vacuum and mop if your heart desires. So yeah, it's great. especially for the Turbo Deluxe Supercharged Boost Mode and picking up like large crumbs and debris and carpet. So anyway, so that's my product overview of the Proscenic P11 Mopping Vacuum Cleaner. And if you've gotten this far in the video and found it in any way helpful or informative, even if you end up going with another vacuum, I'd really appreciate just a simple thumbs up or a heart on the video. Over and out.